Plans on how to provide safer living and working conditions for migrant workers are expected to be shared tomorrow. It comes as authorities are tackling large numbers of COVID-19 infections in this group. Manpower Minister Josephine Teo gave the update on Facebook, adding that one way is by what she calls comprehensive testing of migrant workers as Singapore prepares to reopen businesses. This will mean a high number of cases detected, and she's urged the public not to be overly alarmed. Meanwhile, a construction industry task force has been set up to come up with ways to return to work safely on top of existing safe management measures. It comprises 8 members of the Singapore Contractors Association. Formed 3 weeks ago, it aims to come up with guidelines for the industry by the end of the month. And they include ways to transport workers safely and how to cut down on movement across work sites, such as housing them on construction sites. And that's especially when the same contractor may work on multiple projects.
For example, you are building a landed property, maybe that will be challenging because you are building from boundary to boundary, that sort of thing. So it really depends on the nature of the construction site. I think there are many ways of doing it. It could be centralized off the site, or it could be segregated by rooms that each particular room goes to one particular site, and then there's no intermingling between that room and other rooms.
We are actually working quite closely with BCA to identify some new places such as existing factory, existing empty spaces, or even empty buildings to quickly retrofit them to house these healthy workers. So I think some M block buildings that is waiting to be demolished. They are actually still in good condition, can be is livable conditions. At the moment, we don't have the location yet, but we have actually sent out a survey to our members to identify these places.